Hey everyone, are slow downloads on Google Chrome getting in the way? In this video, we show you how to make downloads faster in Chrome, so files finish quickly and browsing feels smoother. To speed up downloads in Chrome on a PC, we enable parallel downloading, clear the browser cache, remove unused extensions, use a dedicated download manager, and check our internet connection. Making downloads faster in Chrome helps us save time and work more efficiently. We do this by using Download Manager extensions, turning on parallel downloads, optimizing network settings, and lightening the browser's load. This way, we get quicker and easier access to files. Now let's walk through the steps together to boost download speeds in Google Chrome. First, we open Google Chrome and start with the first way to make it faster. We go to the search or address bar and type Chrome, flags. In the search bar again, type parallel downloading. When parallel downloading appears, it is set to default. Click Enable, then click Relaunch. After Chrome restarts, we move to the next option, clearing the cache. Go to the settings at the top right corner and click the three dots. Go to Settings, then Privacy and Security. Here, we find the option to clear browsing data. Click and delete all browsing data from the beginning of time. Make sure to delete cookies, other site data, cached images, and files. This frees up memory for Chrome. Next, we remove any extensions we don't use. Go to the Extensions page, and it will open. Here, we can remove extensions we don't need. Now, instead of removing another extension, we add a helpful one from the Chrome Web Store. Search for Internet Download Manager, select the free download manager, click it, and then click Add to Chrome. Install it. Finally, we check our internet connection. If needed, reset the modem or router to factory default settings. After reconnecting, we should see a difference in internet speed. Now downloads are faster and more efficient. Optimizing Chrome saves us time and makes browsing better.